There's nothing like it. Cooking ribs or chicken or steak on the barbecue. We know it always has a special, unbeatable flavor, right? And over the past, I've sent you coupons and recipes and even caution tips if you're cleaning your own grill between visits. Today is different. While I want you to keep your grill clean, and I always appreciate you when you call or email us asking us to come out and clean your grills, I want to take a moment and thank one of our customers who took the time to hit pause and go over to Yelp and leave a review. It means so much, as we all use this as a resource to decide on a service or product before we spend any money. I want to share just a few lines on what was written and thank Alan D. from Indian Wells. Thank you, Alan. I last cleaned my grill probably 4 years ago, so that's at least 800 uses on anything you can cook on a grill. The top cover had so much black soot on it, the whole thing was crusted over and peeling off, and would fall on food if I wasn't careful closing it. Having a filthy grill is dangerous, and it makes it harder to cook due to the flare-ups and the grease fires that singe and burn meat, which causes it unhealthy to eat. Now that I know Desert BBQ is around, I won't ever have to worry about that again. Is it cheap? Well, not exactly. Don't expect to only have to pay someone $100 for 4 hours of hard work scrubbing, dipping, cleaning, polishing, doing things you don't want to have to do. This isn't fair for what they're providing. However, it's way cheaper than getting a new grill. The price for what you're getting is reasonable, and honestly, isn't not like your health isn't worth it? Hey, it's Steve from Desert BBQ Cleaning. Honestly, this made my day. No, it made my 2020, especially with everything that's going on. If I could ask one thing, besides calling Desert BBQ Cleaning and allow us to come out and clean your grill, it would be to take a before and after picture and then share your experience over on Yelp or others like Google or Nextdoor. They all help. Thank you in advance so much. And let's come out of this thing stronger than when we went in.